Good afternoon, everybody. I have the Dow Jones chart. I'm going to show you a daily, I'm going to show you a weekly, and a monthly chart. One of the things that I'm going to want to cover with you is the simple fact that um, we have turned to a bear market. The 9.5-year-old market is over. The bull market's going to be over, and it is over. We went down 799 points on the trading session on Tuesday. Tomorrow, the stock market's going to open up and it's going to continue its sell down. Another important thing for people who have IRAs or 401ks, you're going to need risk management. Let our 35 years power you into making a lot of money. Now, bear markets pay a lot more than bull markets. The higher the volatility, both to the downside and upside, makes a lot more money than a bull market. We welcome bear markets in our turbo option trading. We know how to buy put options that will give you huge returns when the markets and equities, stocks are falling. And as they will, one of the things is that January of 2019, the earnings season, publicly traded companies are going to have a lower growth rate in 2019. That means that that bull run that we've had and the tariffs and the uncertainty around it did not make a deal, and it didn't. We had a one-day pop in the market, and the S&P 500 to drop 90 points. That's big. Nasdaq Composite down 283. Nasdaq 100 index minus 266. This is the daily chart of the Dow Jones. And let me just tell you one thing. We were oversold, and that bear market is going to be gone. That means that 2018 is headed toward the 2019 bear market. Bear markets pay a lot more money. Here's an example of what we did. Markets, when they're oversold, will have a move off of the bottom. And we did. Right here, we were oversold. Okay? And then there was a trade to the upside. And then we came straight up here to the major resistance of 26,000. We violated the 50-day moving average. We violated the 100-day moving average. The 200-day simple moving average here is a significant area for the markets, which is 25,108. So basically, the 100-day is the beige line, and that 50-day moving average is the white line. And we do know one thing. We buy off of the bottom, and then we make a lot of money going the opposite way using the put options, especially on stocks, all of them. And here's the thing. Another rally that has failed. So let me go ahead and draw a trend line here for you on the daily chart. And here is the reversal. Right there where I pointed my pointer, I'll draw a trend line for you. You can see where we had a rally and it made the lows again. That is what bear markets do. And we had another rally and we dropped over 800 points. And we're violating the moving averages on the Dow with the daily sell signal. Dow Jones weekly chart, very significant. We have that big support level down here on the weekly chart. And we have that major resistance level right up here. When Donald Trump and the Chinese were talking about tariffs, you had a one-day pop, and then the bear move resumed. The blue line is a 10-week simple moving average. which is at 25,344. I said the 10-day moving average is at 25,344, and we're going to violate it as we are. The other big negative is a blue line, the 110-week, crossed over the red line, which is a 20-week. That is a death cross. The support levels will remain down here. The 2019 outlook that we're giving you about the new bear market that's here to stay, this is very true. Dow Jones monthly chart, very significant in the monthly chart. Let me just run this down to you about how bear markets are coming, and you need to sign up with us, and you need to save your account. We will show you how to make a lot of money. As the other people have pain, you have glory. Why? Because you're going to be short using the put options in stocks, and you're going to make a lot of money. So 10-month moving average, 27.51. We're below it. The red line, that's a 20-month moving average at 26.62. And we're going to come down there and we're going to test that. One of the things that we want to be very clear about is that bear markets, and why are bear markets coming? And they're already started, they're here. We've told all of our followers, 20,000 people around the world, that you had to make money on the downside. You people that are short-term traders, investors, IRAs, you better sign up for the free 5-day trial. You owe it to yourself to see us live in action. Sign up. We give out the live orders, entries, and the exits, and we trade the short side with put options that make a lot of money. You don't need no experience. All you have to do is do the limit order that is given to you in this bear move.